Yeah, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to look at how to change the RAM from your system, from your laptop. It's basically a simple thing anybody should be able to do. You don't really need so much of a technique to be able to do that. All you need to do is know exactly where the RAM is seated. And how do you know that? You have to observe where you see this mark, where you see this sign on your system. Wherever you see this, that's the sign of the RAM. That is where the RAM is seated. So all you simply do is open that place up, and then you will see your RAM there. So like I said, for different systems you have the different position. It must not be here, it might be here, it might be here. You can see that there are different openings where you can open, and then they all have their different signs to tell you what exactly is there, so you don't waste your time opening everything up. Now these are my RAMs. It has two settings. Those two places is what makes the RAM sit on the slot. So what I have to do is I have to shift this one backward first. I would have to shift this. I would have to shift this backward. Watch my hand. I'm taking it down. Then I'll do the same thing here. I raise it up. Automatically it comes out. I pull it. The same thing when I want to fix it in. I put it in here. It's seated, and then I press it down. So that's how to change your RAM. And then when you're done with that, you simply close it. Then you test your system to be sure that what you did is okay. Yeah, see, that's my system coming up. That means my RAM is okay. Alright, thank you for watching.